News that's coming in at the moment. It's the Delhi High Court hearing in the Arvind Kejriwal bail case that is still going on. The Enforcement Directorate is demanding a stay on the bail given to Arvind Kejriwal. Lawyer for the Chief Minister Abhishek Manu Singhvi is arguing that Arvind Kejriwal should be given the bail. Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer tells the court Enforcement Directorate is saying it's either my way or the highway. Abhishek Manu Singhvi is saying not a single penny has been recovered from Arvind Kejriwal till date. My colleague Shrishti Ojha is now joining me on the story. Shrishti, the hearing is still going on and we can very clearly see Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, putting forth strong arguments in favour of the Chief Minister.
Well, yes, Aishwarya, Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi is arguing for Arvind Kejriwal and is also strongly opposing not just the request for stay that has been made by the Enforcement Directorate, but he's also opposing all the arguments which have been made by the Enforcement Directorate to get that particular stay. According to Mr. Singhvi, the Enforcement Directorate today told the High Court that the High Court had earlier in one of the matters made strong observations against Arvind Kejriwal when it had held the arrest to be legal. Considering Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court is a lower court than the High Court, the High Court's order holding his arrest legal would therefore be binding on the lower court. According to Additional Solicitor General who appeared for the Enforcement Directorate today, the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court could not have granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal in the manner that it did without considering the adverse remarks that were made by High Court against Arvind Kejriwal earlier. Arvind Kejriwal, according to ED, had made similar arguments even before High Court earlier, but those were not accepted by the High Court and therefore the lower court had no authority whatsoever to accept those observations. However, Mr. Singhvi has now pointed out that Arvind Kejriwal was granted liberty to move for bail by the Supreme Court itself. If ED's argument is taken on face value and is accepted that considering High Court's order was against Kejriwal, then that would mean that he had no right whatsoever to be granted bail, which is not a correct argument considering the Supreme Court itself asked Arvind Kejriwal to move for bail before the trial court. So other than that, what Mr. Kejriwal's lawyers have also said is that ED's attitude clearly seems to be like it's either their way or the highway. They've taken strong objection to ED's remarks and the allegations that ED has made against the judge, saying that it's a government agency and such remarks should not have come in only because they did not get a favourable order and the order favoured Arvind Kejriwal. He's also, Mr. Singhvi has also taken a dig at ED's arguments, saying that just because there's a political angle involved to it, it doesn't get the right to ED to make such claims against a sitting judge. Back to you.
Shrishti, stay on with me on the story. We've got some more news that's coming in with regards to the hearing that at the moment is taking place. Now, till late last night, it was the Aam Aadmi Party that was expecting that Arvind Kejriwal would be out of jail today. But today, there was very high drama that took place in the Delhi High Court with regards to the bail plea. The Delhi High Court has now stayed Arvind Kejriwal's release order in the excise policy case until the matter is fully heard. The court's order came as the Enforcement Directorate challenged Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea in the case, just hours before he was all set to be released from the Tihar jail. In fact, the probe agency informed the court that it did not get proper time to oppose the bail yesterday. It further said that the judge did not go through all the documents and was in fact in a hurry to dispose of the case yesterday. It also appealed to the court to have a detailed discussion, keeping in mind the seriousness of the case. Meanwhile, Arvind Kejriwal's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, launched an attack at the Enforcement Directorate and questioned ED's claim for a free and fair probe. ED's action has not been greeted very well by the Aam Aadmi Party. Sanjay Singh, Aam Aadmi Party leader, teared into the Congress over the bail plea order stay and compared the centre's governance to dictatorship. He asked, why is the government making fun of India's judicial system?
अभी कल ही आपके मुख्यमंत्री को बेल मिली। अभी सुबह ऑर्डर अपलोड होना था, ऑर्डर अपलोड नहीं हुआ और ईडी हाई कोर्ट पहुंच गई ऑर्डर को स्टे करवाने के लिए। इतना ये तो ऐसे हो गया एज इफ Arvind Kejriwal is the most wanted terrorist of India. देश में तानाशाही इतनी हद पार कर रही है कि ईडी किसी को लिबर्टी भी नहीं देने के मुख्यमंत्री के अगेंस्ट वो स्टे के लिए चली जाती है। अभी हाई कोर्ट में फैसला आना बाकी है। आशा करते हैं कि हाई कोर्ट न्याय करेगा।
ऐसा कभी सुना नहीं। लोअर कोर्ट के बेल का ऑर्डर अभी अपलोड ही नहीं हुआ, हमें ही नहीं मिला, किसी को मिला ही नहीं। क्या लेके ईडी हाई कोर्ट पहुंच गया और क्या सुन के हाई कोर्ट कह रहा है कि हम इसको सुनेंगे? अभी तो ऑर्डर ही नहीं आया, वे सुन क्या रहे हैं? ईडी चैलेंज किस चीज को कर रहा है? ये तो बड़ी अजीब सी बात है, कभी नहीं सुना देश में। पूरी तरीके से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार इसको निजी दुश्मनी की तरह ले रही है। इस तरीके से एजेंसीज नहीं काम करती जिस तरह से हो रहा है।
कोर्ट किसी को बेल दे, किसी को बेल ना दे, जेल दे, ये कोर्ट के ऊपर निर्भर है। हमें कोर्ट के ऊपर भरोसा है। हम कोर्ट को दोषी नहीं देते जैसा आम आदमी पार्टी देती है। कोर्ट जो निर्णय करता है हमें उसका स्वागत है। गुनाहगार को सजा मिलनी चाहिए। भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ हमारा जीरो टॉलरेंस है, ये हमारा स्टैंड है। बाकी जो भी होगा हम उसको देखेंगे।
जिस तरह से कल भी ट्रायल कोर्ट ने बेल दी, साफ जाहिर है कि कोई दुर्भावना उनके खिलाफ नहीं है। उनके साथी कहते रहते हैं कि देखिए मंगुंडा रेड्डी या शरद रेड्डी या बाकी लोग क्योंकि अप्रूवर बने इसलिए उनको बेल मिला। केजरीवाल जी को कल बेल क्यों मिला था ट्रायल कोर्ट से? क्या वो भी अप्रूवर बन गए? बेल मिल जाता है तो अदालत बड़ी अच्छी हो जाती है, जब बेल नहीं मिलता है तो भाजपा जिम्मेदार होती है। ये किस तरह के दोहरे मापदंड है उनके?
कल जब एक कोर्ट उनको बेल देती है तो ये लिखते हैं सत्यमेव जयते, और आज अगर एक कोर्ट स्टे दे रही है तो इनको कानून बुरा लग रहा है। इन लोगों को ये समझना चाहिए कि शराब नीति में एक बड़ा घोटाला हुआ है। खुद न्यायालय कई बार इस बात को कह चुका है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल का इसमें भूमिका है। अरविंद केजरीवाल पूरे शराब नीति घोटाले के सूत्रधार हैं। तो जब इस तरह के आरोप लगते हैं तो जांच एजेंसी अपना काम कर रही है और न्यायालय ने निर्णय देना है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जेल भी न्यायालय के निर्णय से गए थे और बाहर जब भी आएंगे तो न्यायालय के निर्णय से आएंगे। तो ये मुझे लगता है जांच एजेंसी और न्यायालय को छोड़ देना चाहिए।
ED should act independently, impartially. Now these central agencies are being used to target the opposition parties, cripple their activities. That is what one can make out from the case of Mr. Kejriwal. Let us wait. Judiciary has granted bail to him. Finally, truth will triumph, justice will prevail.